Hi everyone and welcome back to another trading day. I'm Johan Malan and today, Thursday, 9 November 2023, I've got 15 charts to look at that could potentially boost your trading profits for today. Our first pick of the day is a potential long on pound CAD. But before we proceed, remember that trading carries risk and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And at the end of this video, I will show you my favorite trade idea for today. So grab your notepads and let's get started. Now, let's get back to the pound CAD flag pattern, pound strong, CAD weak. So the breakout we had yesterday, I mentioned this one on yesterday's video. Now we're waiting for the retest. Now there's nothing wrong trading the breakout, nothing wrong with that. Is just a small position, then the retest and retracements, that's where the real big positions do come in. But for today, I'm watching for the retracement back to this level and a 1 hour or a 4 hour reversal. US yen, we got this breakout yesterday. On the live stream, guys, you will see today that this trade won't show. I'm splitting up the accounts now so that I have an account with only this trades that we do here. Don't be confused today, this will not show there, it's the only open trade there, but from after this one, all of the trades will show on the live stream every day. So the US yen, the breakout, small position long, nothing wrong, trailing the stop loss to this long lower shadow here, just below that. So that puts you pretty much at entry, maybe 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 pips at risk still. But that helps a lot. But US yen still good. I'm waiting for if it hits the trailing stop loss, or even if you decide to keep your stop loss down there, both are 100% correct. The retest here I would then look for more entries or then another entry. Then the New Zealand Swiss, a nice consolidation coming up. New Zealand Swiss, I'm happy with that. This is also sort of a flaggish pattern or a falling wedge. But I'm looking at the breakout. The breakout, if you want to, you can take a little small position with a big stop loss down here in pips wise, and then we will wait for the retest and then the reversal. That's where the professional guys comes in. The breakouts are for us retail traders, but the professional guys would wait for the retest and then that's where they will get into this trade. But something I'm going to watch today, New Zealand Swiss, definitely a long position I want here. Then pound yen, pound up there, yen down there. Want to be long, same level as yesterday. I'm going to look at this support level here for some long entries on a 1 hour or 4 hour candle reversal. Pound Swiss, still the same scenario as yesterday. These two levels I'm watching for some 1 hour or 4 hour reversals. New Zealand US, also nice consolidation here. You see the retracement coming in 2 phases and now consolidating here yesterday, now breaking out. Nothing wrong taking the long on a smallest position with a stop loss down there, and or can do both. Then the retest of this falling trend line, then a 4 hour, 1 hour reversal, or I'll still keep an eye on these two levels at the bottom. You can see there New Zealand, US, all fine on the relative strength. Yesterday, unfortunately, my S&P 500 trade got stopped out at a trailing stop loss, small loss. We started out with a trade on the breakout there. That's why I always do this on the small side. There's no confirmation of the trade. So small entry, then the stop loss was down there. I trailed it at those lows there and lost about 1/3 of the original risk. No train smash. Sadly, bouncing off those levels, I think I was a bit early on this trailing of the stop loss. But nonetheless, it is a sideways market now, very difficult to read, and I'm comfortable with my stop loss there. Now, with the dollar gaining in strength, I think I'm going to step aside for this today. Aussie Swiss also, this one was a 4 hour. Well, we actually got a 1 hour entry, the double bottom here. Started out well. We started with a stop loss down here, then trailed the stop loss there, and that got hit on about 40% of the regional risk. So this trade is stopped out also. So 2 small losses, not the end of the world. This can be recouped in just one winning trade and then we will be in the money. I won't be looking any further at the Aussie Swiss today and neither on the S&P 500. Then the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, Aussie CAD, triangle plus also a wedge. You can see both patterns here. Also Aussie CAD, I'm good with this. I wait for the break. If you take a small position, it's fine. But The big positions comes in on the retest and the candle reversals on the 4-hour and 1-hour charts. Euro Canadian dollar, Euro CAD, no problem there. I'm waiting for the retest here at the 61% level. So both levels are fine, but my first focus for today will be at this structure here at the 61%. So if that trade idea fails, I'll retry it here. Euro yen also rallying with the US yen yesterday. Euro yen, I wait for the retest. I've got 3 levels marked here, but this is the first level I will be looking at. If I get a reversal there, I'll try my trade idea on longs. If that doesn't give reversals there, I'll try this one and then this one. Then the Euro Swiss already breaking out. Euro Swiss, we've got the flag pattern, the break. I'm waiting for a retest. I don't think there's enough momentum in this taking a small position on the break. I would wait for the retest here in any case, and then a 1-hour or 4-hour reversal. In the Swiss yen, Swiss there, yen there, I'm waiting for the retest. Brand new trend here. So I'm waiting for this structure to test at the 61% level. You can see resistance, resistance. It becomes support there. So when it gets back down there, I'll double check with the RS. Now guys, on the live stream, if you're not a member of my website, you can still come and look on the live streams. What is the RS at that moment? That retest, I will start to consider H1 and H4 long entries. Then today I have 2 favorite ideas. The one is a potential long in the New Zealand yen and the other one a New Zealand CAD. So both are longs. But first, if you are new to this channel and find this video helpful, you can support the channel by giving this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so that I can keep making content like this for you. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to ensure you don't miss out on my daily trade ideas. Now let's get back to my 2 favorites for today. The New Zealand yen, New Zealand up there, yen there, and you see the second one is New Zealand CAD, New Zealand CAD. But what I do like both of them, they got strong trends, triangle patterns, the break. I'm looking at the retests here now on the New Zealand yen. So if I get a retest here on a 1-hour or 4-hour, I would go along with that. And the same scenario with the New Zealand CAD. Strong trends coming up the page, triangle consolidation, busy breaking out, nothing wrong taking a small position on the break, but the major position will be on the retest, the 1-hour and the 4-hour reversal candles. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. I want to hear from you. Drop your questions, share your experiences, or tell me which trading opportunities you're eyeing in the comments below. I've been trading since 2003, and if you are eager to take your trading skills to the next level, check out the links in the description to join my mentorship program and support this channel by opening a trading account with a trusted broker, which I've been using since 2010. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Don't forget to trade responsibly, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Until then, trade well.